Hello, this is Arnold from Steel Mama. Today we will test this machine. The machine is for Mexico clad. The machine have different function. Machine can produce the angle and the main channel. The machine we have flying cutter also. We start from the first one is decoiler. The decoiler is manual decoiler, and we will put the two decoiler here because the machine is double line. This part fitting, so you can adjust for different ways. Certainly, normally it's confirmed, but if in case sometimes you need to adjust, there is the wheel to adjust. And the machines, we use 10 stations to form the shape. And every station we have the mark. You can do little adjustment. The machine, this one line is for angle, and another line is for main channel. It's a small U shape. And now you see it's the straightener. One after you produce the product, it's not straight. This part is for the straight. We call this straightener. And the machine we use double cutting, and both is flying cutter. One cutting, two cutting. And when the machine cut it, the machine is not stop. We use the servo motor to drive the cutter. We use two servo motor, one servo motor, another servo motor. Under the control box, we have the remote and the Delta brand for the electrical part. The hydraulic system, we use 5.5 kilowatt hydraulic system. And if you have any questions or you need any reforming machines, please contact us. We are from Steel Mama. Bye.